Placing 6 in our countdown is about the party list system. The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, are urging lawmakers to push for the complete overhaul of the Party List System Act. COMELEC Chairman George Garcia said the law should be amended to further address the concerns of various sectors, especially the marginalized. He emphasized that an overhaul is needed to address the numerous criticisms thrown against party list groups and even COMELEC. Critics of the party list system said that political aspirants who do not genuinely represent the marginalized and underrepresented sector are exploiting the law.
Kasi 1995 pa yan. 1995, nung unang inilabas nga itong Party List System Act na ito, sa under a good, magandang hangarin, di ba? Under the late President Ramos.
Actually,
diba?
hindi mo kailangan, if you read the party list system, ako nga, I never knew it until recently. If you read it carefully, it's not really meant to address yung marginalized representation. The mere premise of the party list system is to strengthen the actual political parties in the Philippines in the hopes na may lilitaw ng 1, 2, or 3 parties dyan na malakas, and then baka maka-establish tayo ng party systems like the US where you don't vote anymore for personalities, but rather you vote for the political party itself, at kung sino man yung nasa loob will just simply push forward the platforms and advocacies of the actual party. So that was the intent. If you read it, that was the intent.
Pero
to
yun nga,
strengthen
dun
parties.
sa resolution na lumabas from the Supreme Court, sinasabi, nililinaw nila na kahit sino, basta may advokasya ka, doesn't necessarily mean na galing ka mismo dun sa marginalized sector na yun, ay po pwede kang tumakbo bilang party list.
Kunyari daw.
Party list. Pero yun nga yung nagiging problema ngayon kasi 'di ba, matagal na debate na, ba't tatakbong party list yan? Ang yaman-yaman niya, 'di ba? So kaya sinasabi ng COMELEC, ayusin na lang ng lawmakers para mas maayos at talagang maiangat yung mga marginalized sector.
Yan ang misconception kasi. Ngayon lang, hindi na-educate ang common folk on what the party list system is all about. It is not a system enacted to give a voice to marginalized people. It is a system to give a certain person who has advocacies in place to push for his agenda.
Exactly.
So kunyari, ang advocacy ko is lahat tayo uminom ng tubig. Pwede yon, provided I have the base numbers to show na, I have 50,000 people.
Ang problema kasi, ang nangyari over the years since it was enacted, itong Party List System Act na to, ang nangyayari, nagiging parang stepping stone ng ibang mga bata na sa party list para makapasok sa politika, or ginagamit ng mga batikang politiko na kapag wala na silang pwestong malugaran, 'di ba? Kung local man 'yan o national na position, mag-party list tayo para politiko ka pa rin. Ganun na nangyayari, 'di ba? Kaya dapat lang talaga ayusin at para mas mabigyang halaga yung mga marginalized sector. Dahil yun yung importante.
Before you move forward, they have to define, is it for the marginalized or is it simply for advocacies? Yun ang alamin mo dapat.